In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Gumroad, explaining the best method to do so. Whether you are a seasoned self-publisher or just getting started, Gumroad is a fantastic platform for selling ebooks, offering a user-friendly experience along with powerful tools to manage and promote your products. Let's dive right into the process. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Products option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is your central hub for managing everything you decide to sell on Gumroad. To start adding your ebook, look for and click on the New Product button. This will kick off the uploading process. As a new window pops up, you'll notice several product type options. For our task today, make sure to click on the ebook option. This step is crucial as it lets Gumroad know exactly what kind of digital item you're listing, ensuring that all the right settings and features are in place. Now, with the ebook format selected, your next focus is the name of your ebook. A compelling and descriptive title can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers, so take a moment to get this right. It's the first thing readers will see, so let it encapsulate what your ebook is all about. Once you have your title nailed down, you'll want to pay attention to the format. Select the currency you'll be dealing with and carefully set the price for your ebook. Pricing is more than just picking a number. It's a strategic decision that can significantly impact your sales. Spend some time researching similar ebooks and see what they're priced at. This will give you an idea of market standards and help you find a competitive yet fair price point. Once you're happy with your decision, move on by clicking Next Customize. Now comes the description. This is your opportunity to really sell your ebook. Craft a catchy and informative description that tells your audience not just what your ebook is about, but also why they should purchase it. A clear and enticing description can be the final nudge potential buyers need to make a decision. Next, you'll want to focus on visually representing your ebook. Upload an engaging cover and a thumbnail. Attractive visuals not only draw buyers in, but also help set expectations about the quality and content of your ebook. A well-designed cover can often tip the scales in your favor. Don't forget to add detailed product information. Including specifics can provide the clarity a customer needs to make a confident purchase decision. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click on Save and Continue. It's at this point you can upload your actual ebook file. Ensure it's properly formatted and that accessibility is straightforward, as this will directly affect customer satisfaction. When everything's set, just hit Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your ebook is now live on Gumroad and ready to reach audiences far and wide. You've taken a big step in sharing your work, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes you. Thank you for following along, and happy selling!